What's up, everyone? Welcome to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going over KPIs. So KPI stands for Key Performance Indicator. And key performance indicators are values that you can accurately measure to show progress. So it can be used for a business, it can be used in terms of marketing, it can be used in your personal life. So key performance indicators are essentially just values that you can accurately measure. And what you want to do is look at those values over time to see if your progress is advancing or decreasing. So let's look at a few examples. So the first example, let's say a dentistry is running advertisements. They want to drive more monthly leads, which includes phone calls, appointment bookings, and contact form sends. So any different way that their website helps them drive leads. So what is the KPI in this case? In this case, they want to drive more monthly leads, so the key performance indicator is total leads per month. Now, you can look at this in terms of your overall budget on advertising, or you can just look at the total number and see what activities drive the most leads for your business. What you want to do is look at all the activities that drive leads and focus on the ones that drive the most leads for your business. Now, example number 2, we're going to get completely away from marketing to make this a little bit easier, but a marathon runner is training by running 10 miles every other day for 2 weeks. Every time the runner runs, they're keeping track of their pace, and what the runner wants to do is beat their running pace of 10 minutes per mile. So what is the KPI? The KPI is running pace. So what the runner is going to do is look at how quickly they're running 10 miles every other day for 2 weeks, look at their total time divided by the 10 miles, and that's how you're going to get your running pace of how many minutes it takes you to run every single mile. And if your goal is to get beneath that 10 minutes per mile, then ultimately your goal is to get your KPI to 9 minutes and 59 seconds or lower. So let's look at a few KPIs that would be relevant for a marketing company. So first and foremost, revenue, profit. You want to look at your costs as well. So all of those are major key performance indicators for your business. But when it comes to marketing, customer lifetime value, total phone calls, total contacts, total sales. You could look at sales as in total sales, total revenue, and total amount per sale. So you can track all of those as different KPIs. Social media following, social traffic, organic traffic, cost per lead, cost per sale, downloads, appointment bookings, total website traffic. So there's a ton of different things you can look at in terms of your KPI. You can look at your ROI, your return on investment, your ROAS, your return on ad spend. So ultimately what you want to do is track as much of these different statistics and metrics as you possibly can so that you know all of these kind of factor into your revenue and your profit on a yearly basis. If you're getting more website traffic, that usually means you can drive more appointment bookings or more leads or more sales. Usually more relevant traffic is going to help you drive more business. But some KPIs lead to the increases or decreases of other KPIs. So when it comes to just overall tips, how to track your KPIs, for me, my main thing is I like to track one major KPI beyond revenue and costs. So usually what that is going to be leads or something along those lines, leads, sales. Now, sometimes it might be something like total page views, total video views. What you want to do is use monthly or quarterly data. You can also use yearly data as well, but you always want to make sure you're tracking by the same number of days or at least a very similar period. You want to always use the same data so that your KPIs are accurate. So if you switch from Google Analytics to another website analytics platform, you need to understand that your KPIs might look a little bit different in that other analytics platform than they do in Google Analytics. So these are just some different things to keep in mind. You always want to understand the factors that lead to growth or decline of a KPI, and then you can use your KPI data for future marketing strategies. So if we come back over here and we say, okay, our organic traffic went up by 100%, that helped our revenue and profit grow exponentially, then what you can do is use that KPI data to focus on driving more organic traffic. Now, a quick example. So a KPI for Surfside PPC, the YouTube channel, is obviously video views. So I can look at my total video views for last month, September 2020, look at how it compared to August, and then I can use this number to try to focus on improving my video views going into the month of October and really understanding using all of these different data points to understand what helps my channel grow. looking at the types of videos that people like the most, looking at how many videos I create and how much that increases viewership. So all of these things factor into my KPI, which is video views for Surfside PPC. So if you have any questions about KPIs, please leave them in the comment section. Again, your goal isn't to track every single one of these on a daily basis to see, how everything is performing, but what you want to do is track all of these different data points and really focus on a few of them and focus on growing a few of them and what factors or activities can lead to growth for the performance of your KPIs. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching my video today, and make sure you subscribe to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel.